Hi, this is John with Winter Roofing and Remodeling here on location at a rental home of one of our customers. We're going to show you how to convert the old fluorescent lighting into LED lighting. Normally this probably isn't the kind of a project that we would typically videotape, but it's such a neat product that we felt everybody ought to know about it. Anyway, I'm going to turn the phone around here. This is the fluorescent lighting that he's asked us to repair, and you see it's got the old 34-watt fluorescent bulbs in it with the ballast up in there. So each one of these 4 lights are in various stages of being completed just to help speed this videotape along. Here's the next step. What we've done is taken the ballast cover off, taken the lights off, taken the ballast cover off, and there you can see the exposed ballast and the wiring. The way the old fluorescent lights worked is the electricity would come in through the ballast. It would convert the electricity from the breaker box into wattage and what have you that the fluorescent lights could use. The fluorescent lights, then the pins would hook up onto either ends of these, and that's what would send the current through the bulb. But we're not going to do that anymore. Oh gosh, darn it! We got to shut the lights off, or else we're never going to see, are we? Okay, so here we have taken the wires off the ballast. We're going to leave the ballast on there because there's no reason to put it in the dumpster. It's just one less thing we got to worry about discarding. Anyway, the wires are off of there. We've taken our LED, I don't think I've shown you this, our LED lights, which are these guys right here. You can see the T12 pin pattern right there. Now, those things are nothing more than handles now that hold the lights in. No electricity runs through them. They're just plastic. Electricity runs through this wire here that we're going to hook to the wire source coming in. Anyway, so we've done that here. You can see these lights are in, the LED lights are in, and they're wired to the 110 volt source coming in. Now we're ready for the ballast cover, and we wanted to show you this. We couldn't install the ballast cover without it interfering with the wire from the light. So what we had to do is notch them out to give some relief, and so that they wouldn't ride on the wires. And right here you can see where we have completed an assembly. And then we have the LED lights installed with the ballast cover put back on. And as you can see, the notch in our, you can sort of see up in there, fits nicely so that the wires don't ride. Turning the lights back on, here we have it. We've converted fluorescent lighting to an LED type lighting system. The LEDs are so much brighter and they're a lot more efficient. Once again, this is John with Winter Roofing and Remodeling, saying so long.